Strapi versus Sanity. Which headless CMS is better? Choosing the right headless CMS can transform how you manage content without complex setups. Strapi and Sanity offer unique approaches for flexible content management and developer experience. Strapi and Sanity are popular headless CMS platforms designed for modern web development. The core difference lies in Strapi's open source, self-hosted model versus Sanity's cloud-based, real-time collaborative platform, impacting customization, hosting, and scalability options. Strapi is an open-source headless CMS that you can self-host, giving full control over your backend. It provides a customizable API built on Node.js, allowing developers to define content types and relationships easily through an intuitive admin panel. Strapi supports RESTful and GraphQL APIs, making it flexible for various front-end frameworks. Its open-source nature means you can extend functionality with plugins or modify the source code to fit specific needs. Strapi excels in environments where privacy, data ownership, and customization are priorities. However, self-hosting requires managing your infrastructure, updates, and security, which can be a challenge for smaller teams or less technical users. Ideal users include developers and businesses wanting full backend control, custom workflows, and avoiding vendor lock-in while building scalable applications. Sanity is a cloud-based headless CMS that emphasizes real-time collaboration and structured content editing. It offers a hosted backend with a flexible content studio built in React, enabling content teams to customize editing experiences without deep coding. Sanity's real-time APIs allow instant updates across platforms, making it ideal for dynamic content delivery. The platform supports GROQ, a powerful query language, and integrates easily with modern frameworks. Sanity handles hosting, scaling, and security, reducing operational overhead. Its strengths lie in collaborative workflows, rich media handling, and a user-friendly editing interface. On the downside, relying on a cloud service means less control over data hosting and potential vendor dependence. Sanity fits teams focused on content collaboration, rapid deployment, and those preferring a managed service over self-hosting. Strapi and Sanity each suit different project needs. Strapi offers complete backend control through self-hosting, ideal for developers needing customization and data privacy. It requires technical resources to maintain infrastructure, but provides flexibility in API design and plugin integration. Sanity, as a cloud service, excels in collaboration and ease of use, with real-time content updates and a customizable editing studio that content teams appreciate. It offloads hosting and scaling, but limits backend control and introduces vendor reliance. For example, a startup with strong developer skills and privacy concerns may prefer Strapi, while a media company needing fast content updates and seamless teamwork might choose Sanity. Both support modern frameworks and APIs, but the choice depends on priorities like control versus convenience, and self-managed versus managed hosting. Choose Strapi if you want full backend control, open source flexibility, and are prepared to manage hosting and infrastructure for a tailored content solution. Sanity is the better choice for teams prioritizing real-time collaboration, ease of use, and a hosted solution that scales effortlessly. It streamlines content workflows while minimizing maintenance, making it ideal for organizations focused on dynamic content delivery and team productivity.